Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to change your password on Mastodon, so let's get started. First, we're gonna click on the icon that's in our top right corner. That's gonna take us to our settings. Now we're gonna swipe up, and as you can see down here we have a zone called the boring zone. We're gonna select the first option in the boring zone, that's called account settings. Now we're gonna click on continue. And as you can see, the first thing it takes us to is to your security and how to change your password. You can change it by entering your current password and then selecting your new password. It gives you an option for them to give you a strong password, but you can always click on other options and choose my own password. So you're going to type in your new password. Then you're going to confirm your new password or type it again. Lastly, you're going to click on Save Changes. And that's how you change your password on Mastodon. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye!